This is beautiful. All right, good morning. This is 8:29 a.m. and I'm at the beginning of the Endless Wall Trail. Just calm and quiet, absolutely no one here. So let's see how it goes. Here it starts. So I hope I will get to see that. Let's see. When I was first looking for New River Gorge National Park and Preserve on Google Map, this is what I saw. However, all the point of interests are here along Route 19. This is where all the overlooks are. This area is crowded with all sorts of overlooks you can think of. I wanted to go to Long Point Overlook after I finished hiking the Diamond Point, but it didn't happen. As you can see, this is where the Diamond Point Overlook is, and I was parked here. After the hike, I ended up going to this visitor center and kept driving below all the way to the Fayette Station Bridge here. Well, because of the rain, it's absolutely muddy, but I'm prepared for it, so. Things don't always have to be bright and sunny for you to enjoy nature. This was foggy, rainy, muddy, and slippery, but it had its own challenges and fun and beauty. This was a pure forest bathing. How cool is this? Last thing I want to see an anaconda somewhere. Just kidding. It's getting shinier a little bit, minute by minute. It's supposed to get clear in an hour. Listen to this. You can hear the river. So I'll be heading that way now. I just spotted this, took a detour from my main trail, but I guess this would have been an awesome view spot, but the cloud, man. You can hear the river. Check this out. Ooh. I'm sure this is supposed to be a wonderful overlook. Boy, is this the Diamond Overlook? I have no idea, but look at this. Finally made it. Should be that way. Let's see. Darn it. I made it in the wrong time, unfortunately. But things are clearing up. This is super. Wow. Woo! Look at that. Keeps getting better, folks. Wow. Oh, I can see the river. I can see the river. Straight there. That is so cool. Straight there. So the thing I learned from watching someone else's video other day, that this is called New River, but it is not new. It's very old. And this is one of the rivers that flow from south to north instead of north to south. So that's pretty neat. I love seeing these part of the trees. I waited almost an hour for the fog to go away, and finally that waiting paid off. I was able to see the bridge for a little bit from this diamond point. Alright, this was totally worth the wait. The weather cleared out. And check this out. And the more beautiful part is, check this out. You can see the rail tracks and look far ahead. Sadly, it's fogging up again, but look at that. Another spot. So my next target is to go to that spot now. Further I go that way, closer I am to the bridge. So I was just there. Now I'm gonna attempt walking along there to go to that rocky part. Let's see. Finally found the ladder I was looking for. It was right there. Now before I go down, I have to figure out what's the best way to do it. So there you go. Bismillah. And it's cold here. I'm gonna... There's no snake kind of thing, although there's mosquito kind of thing. This is awesome. I gotta be careful here so that it's not slippery. It is. Hope you can see this better. So this is the other ladder. So this is really cool. This is really cool. This is the thing I've been trying to get to. Not thing, the area. So here we go again. Bismillah. Look at that area. So I'm gonna climb down here. It seems like it's very safe. There's one last step that I need to take, and after that I'll be good. This is really awesome. So I came from there, and there was another ladder on top. This is super. Check that out. So finally I came from there. I came down from all the way there. Look at this landscape. Totally amazing, mate. Quite challenging. I don't know what's happening that way. Something is happening. Well, why not check it out? I am sweating like crazy now. This seems like a perfect playground for all the rock climbers. They're probably laughing at my video. For me, I was just amazed looking at all those big boulders and rocks. Either way, after checking out this area pretty quick, I headed back up. Oh, look at that. Look at that. All you need to do is to grab all the handles and don't freak out. So, I don't know if you can see it. I'm climbing back up. Woo! And the last one. Made it. Mission done. Came back up safely. Alhamdulillah. So I'm on my way back. This is probably another super duper outlook, especially that ledge. Really cool. Just there. Good morning. All right, finally. There's the bridge. 1977, wow. Local tourists told me that I could go down all the way by the water. That immediately changed my plan. I skipped the Long Point Overlook visit and started driving that way. This drive was very cool. It was very scenic, lush green, and I think it's safe to say that I came down at least 800 feet from the bridge above. At one point, I was directly underneath the bridge, and after I crossed Fayette Station Bridge, I was on the other side, right below the bridge. Alright, I think this is my new favorite, or the most favorite outlook, because I get to see everything. Woohoo!